So here we have a Jensen Supergiant 18-inch electrodynamic loudspeaker from a McMurdo Silver Masterpiece V, and the power supply and audio amplifier chassis for the Masterpiece V is sitting beside it here with lots of probes in it. So I'm measuring voltages at the moment because this is its initial test out, so there's various things measuring voltages. But it's fully restored, reproduction parts into the chassis there. The main chassis for the Masterpiece V, the tuner chassis, is over here. I haven't actually done any work on this yet. That's the next part of the project. I thought I'd get the power supply working first and make sure that the speaker was working okay. It's been running for about half an hour now. This huge power transformer hasn't even started to get warm yet. The chokes are just barely warm, and the field coil in the electrodynamic speaker is stone cold. Interesting loudspeaker. It's got two field coil windings. One is about 3.8k and the other one is about 400 ohms. And the 3.k ohm one essentially is a shunt to ground, and that provides the main current flow to the field coil. These speakers are quite valuable, in good shape like this one. And I've actually got a second one over here with the Masterpiece 6. The speakers over the back there. They're actually different designed field coils in these speakers, and also this one has got an output for a tweeter and a switch to switch the tweeter on and off if you have one in circuit. And underneath here there's some chokes and capacitors that act as a filter to feed the tweeter the higher frequencies and the Supergiant the low frequencies. And if you haven't got the tweeters in circuit, you flick it the other way and it feeds all the frequencies to the Supergiant, which has actually got two coil types, cone types, and there's a sort of rubberized cone here for the higher frequencies and a unrubberized section up here for the presumably for the low frequencies. Anyway, just to try it out, I'd say it's just an audio amplifier and power supply chassis. It's got push-pull 6V6s and a couple of 6C5 triodes at the driver stage. And it's also got two 5Z3 rectifiers in the chassis there, because this has got quite a large current draw. So at the moment, without the tuner being connected, I've actually connected a Sony portable, transistorized portable here. And it's just tuned into a local station, and I'm feeding that into the amplifier input. So we'll just turn the volume up and see what we get.
The network is just rolling along. Tom, how do folks listen in?
Well, George, it's Tuesday. Do you know what that means?
That means another show tomorrow.
That does. We are going to add yet another episode of... Head over to the coastam.com website, hit media at the navigation. So we're having some fun, and we're going to add more as the weeks go by. This is the iHeartRadio and Coast to Coast AM Paranormal Podcast. Very easy to get these shows. Just head over to the coasttocoastam.com website. Hit media at the navigation bar, and Lex has it all set up so you can get all the shows. You'll see them there and click away.
Super. Fun network there. Looking for stem cell technology to change the way we live?
So just turn the Supergiant off there, and just unplug the...
Time to put science to work on these
Yeah, you can see there's quite a difference in quality.
Luminex uses cell rejuvenation to slow the signs of aging in women and men. Here.
So there you go. The McMurdo Silver Masterpiece V Supergiant 18-inch speaker and power supply audio amplifier chassis.